Hi there, I'm Kathy.
And I'm Annie.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters. Today we're gonna make gummies. Sorry.
St. Patrick's Day.
Yes, of course. That's awesome.
All right.
Today we're gonna make gummies. Fruit and veggie green gummies.
All right, so first of all, we're going to open up our Jell-O.
And some gelatin. We'll put a packet of that in there because we want them really thick and chewy. And we have half a cup of hot water right here, which we will mix that in, and then we have a half a cup of cold water.
So we're blending the gelatin into the packet so that it doesn't clump up together. And then we're going to put it in the boiling water. All right, we're almost there.
Awesome. Okay.
Okay, we're just going to pour it in.
Oh, I'll grab a spatula. What a green one. All right, we did line this with plastic wrap just so it's easier to remove. We're gonna refrigerate it and we'll be back in as soon as it's chilled to finish off. Okay, we're just gonna finish off our jelly gummies, the green ones, and we're just gonna take little cookie cutters to make some fun little shapes with them.
Do we want to take it out of the pan or just keep it in?
It doesn't matter, we can if you want. You want to take it out?
I don't know.
Then you can see better what we're doing.
There we go. It's super easy and it's fun for kids. They can just pick it up and eat it like that. And we've got like fruit and vegetables in there, which is nice for them. It's not sugar and water and dye, it's actual goodness.
So we hope you give this a thumbs up and give it a try. Remember to subscribe and ring the notification bell. And remember,
You can do this too.